Welcome to Addison Hills, set in one of the most naturally striking parts of Cedar Hill. Here, the land rises gently, the trees have stood for generations, and the atmosphere is quieter than you'd expect, offering a peaceful retreat, just a short commute to downtown Dallas. This thoughtfully planned neighborhood features scenic walking trails, a private pond, and a community playground, designed to bring neighbors together and nature to your doorstep. Outdoor adventures always close by. Spend your weekends exploring Joe Pool Lake, Cedar Hill State Park, or the Dogwood Canyon Audubon Center, some of the area's most beloved natural escapes. Addison Hills is served by Cedar Hill ISD, where academic excellence and community pride go hand in hand. With outstanding athletics, students thrive in competitive programs that build skill, character, and school spirit. Cedar Hill ISD offers student athletes the opportunity to excel both on the field and in the classroom. For shopping, dining, and entertainment, you're just minutes from Cedar Hill's vibrant retail centers and local favorites. And with easy access to Highway 67, 287, I-35E, and I-20, the entire Metroplex is within reach, making commuting and weekend outings effortless. Bloomfield Homes offers our classic series of floor plans in Addison Hills, with square footages ranging from 2,000 to over 4,200 square feet, 3 to 6 bedrooms, and up to 5.5 bathrooms. Homes feature brick and stone exteriors, gas utilities, and Bloomfield's list of all-included standard features that deliver lasting value. You can explore our model homes at Addison Hills, featuring the Seaberry 2 and the Caraway floor plans. The Seaberry 2 is a 2-story design with up to 6 bedrooms and 4 baths, a game room, formal dining with a butler's pantry, study, and media room. The Caraway offers single-story living with 3 to 4 bedrooms and up to 3 full baths. Flexible options allow you to replace the dining room with a media room or 4th bedroom and convert the 2nd bedroom into a private study or guest suite to fit your lifestyle. With fewer homes and direct access to Cedar Hill's best amenities, Addison Hills is a community where space, serenity, and connection come naturally. Bloomfield Homes, making dreams come true in Addison Hills.